In this film, I will go through how to create automatic presentations using VoiceOver with Prezi. First of all, you need to create an account with Prezi. As a student, you can create a free account which will include the basic features that you need. Once you have created your account, you're able to start making imaginative and automatic presentations. First of all, you need to choose a template. Using Prezi, you have basically two options. Either you can use their own reusable templates, in which you have a choice of different types and themes. These are easy to use. You just add your information and your pictures, videos, etc. Or the other option is to use a blank Prezi, which is like a blank canvas that you can design from scratch on your own. The first thing to go through is to create audio files, and we will do this by using Audacity. After that, I will go through how to create a basic Prezi step by step using a reusable template. I will include information such as adding a frame, adding text, pictures and video clips to a frame, and also adding VoiceOver to a frame. For this presentation, I have chosen to use Audacity for the audio files. Audacity is a free software that you can download from the net. When recording audio files, it is best to use a microphone or a headset with a built-in microphone to avoid disturbing background noise. Before recording your audio files, you need to make sure that the settings for input and output is correct. You can see that up here. You have input and it's set to built-in, and I'm using a headset, so I need to reset that to my headset. And here you have output, and that should also be set to my headset. Now we're ready to go, and to start recording we press the record button up here, and now we're recording my voice. You can follow the progress here. To stop, you press the stop button, then you can play. And now your recording is finished. You want to save it. To save audio files as audio files, you need to export audio. So we click on export audio. I can name this testing. I will export it to a folder called eTrainer, and it's an MP3 file. So just click save. And OK. And that's it. Now we have our audio file, and we'll move over to the creating the Prezi. Okay, so we're now ready to create a new Prezi. I have logged into my existing account, and I will now press on this create a new Prezi button. And here we will find all the reusable templates. If you want to start a blank Prezi, you just press this button here. But in this presentation we will use a reusable template, and I think I'll use this one, Tranquility. So I click on that and then use template. As you can see, this template already have existing frames. I will show you how to add a frame as well. In the left corner up here you have blank frames. You can choose from bracket frame, circular, rectangular and invisible frame. In this case, since the rest of the frames are circular, I think we will choose a circular frame. So we just click on this and you have a new frame. This can be moved to be placed anywhere on the canvas. And why don't we put it right here. Now you can adjust the size of this frame. You just click on the frame and you will see this blue square around it. This can be resized, smaller, bigger. We'll keep it at this size. If you want to add these lines here, you click on Insert and Draw Line, and then you can draw this line from here to here. Now you would like to change the color. These are white. You change the color here to white, or maybe a little bit like this, maybe. No. You can make it smaller, thinner. You can make it broader. I think this is about right. You can also make it a little bit bendy, like this. You can do it like that. And there you go, you have your little line as well. The next step is to add text to your frames. On the left hand side you can see all your different frames, so we can just click on one of these and it will zoom into that particular frame. Here you already have the text squares, so you basically just click to add text. So we can name this testing present test presentation. Now you have this. You can also move around inside this frame. You can place it right here. You can also alter the text. You can choose to have it as a title, subtitle, or body. We have it here as a subtitle. You can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. You can change the color to maybe purple. You can change the font to a different font. You can make it bold, or you can make it, well, this particular one can make italics. You can also add another text square here. Maybe you would like to have a bullet list. And this one can also be moved around to be placed wherever you would like to. You can also make these squares smaller, bigger. Now we're moving on to adding pictures. In this particular template you can see that you already have images that you can replace. So we'll start with doing that first. Click on one of the frames with the image, and you see up here in the corner you can just click on this, replace image. So we click on that and you will get a lot of suggestions here to choose. You can also choose your own files, so I can go to my photo folder on my computer and I can choose a picture, maybe this one. Double click on that and my picture will then replace the previous one. If you would like to add your own pictures to a different frame, you can just click on a frame. You can just click on Insert, Image, and you can choose an image of your liking. So maybe this one. Okay. It was too large, so we can resize it. And now we can add it to the frame. You can also make it bigger. like this and move it to the front. So now the next step is to add video clips. You can just click on a frame to zoom into that, or maybe a different one. You can take this one. You click on Insert, and here you have YouTube video. You can also choose one from a file, but in this one I will choose a YouTube video. So you click on this, and here you see you have to paste a YouTube link. So let's go to YouTube. We can choose video. Maybe we'll choose this one, Beowulf in Old English. You click on Share, Dela, and right click on this and copy. And then you go back to your presentation and you paste your YouTube link and insert. And here you have your video, which is outside of frame, so you can just place it in your frame. This can also be resized. Now, to see if this works, you have to click on Present to start the presentation. So we click on that, and you'll see that your video clip is here. And it's working. Now you just click on Escape to go back to your presentation. Now I will show you how to insert a video clip from a file as well. So let's choose a frame. You go to Insert, from File, PDF video, and I can choose this one. Double click on that, and it's processing. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time depending on how large the file is. Now it's uploaded, and you can see it's quite a big frame, so we'll make it a little bit smaller. And in this case you can check if it works straight away. You just click on play, and yes, it does work. So now we have uploaded a YouTube file, a YouTube clip, and also a video clip from a file. Now the last step is to add voiceover to your frames, and we have already created an audio file to add to one of the frames. You can create audio files to all your frames if you want the whole presentation to be automatic. So we'll choose maybe the first frame here, and you click on Insert, Add Voiceover to Path, Step 2. So you click on that. Now you have to choose your files, and we did a test audio file. So I'll just choose this one, Audio Prezi, and I double click on that, and you can see it's uploading, and now it's done. Now you can check if it works. You click on it and press play, and it seems to work. Now to see your presentation and how it would look when presenting, you click on this, Present, and that will start the presentation, and you can just click your way through it and see how it looks. You just go through the clicks, and as you could hear, the voiceover started automatically. And here you have the video. You have to click on that to start it. Another picture, images, and you will go through the different images. and next the YouTube click, and you click on this to start it. And that's your presentation.